battery. I got a battery again. Good morning, guys. Thank Pow here on this Thursday morning, which is also Thanksgiving, guys. So happy Thanksgiving 2018. So the missus has been craving on doing hip surf for some surf perch. So we're I'd be do a quick AM sesh and then after before our festivities. But as far as the morning condition, it's very windy. Look at the trees, all like blowing wind. Pretty sure the camera is seeing all the wind noise. But as far as we went towards the water, and it seemed like the wind's more calm near the water, so it's kind of weird. So we're just gonna brave it out for a few and see how it goes. And if they're biting still or it doesn't rain on us, we'll stay longer. If not, we might have to call it early. Feeling a little drizzle, but we just hope it's a drizzle. So hey, hang tight, guys, and happy Thanksgiving. Wish you luck. Man, it's gonna be an interesting morning. Blowing hard right now, but once in the water, it's not as hard. So hopefully the fish are biting. Do a quick few hours and call it a morning. Crazy. Get the sandworms. Just give me one. Oh, this is two. Huh? It's awesome to you.
That one's a big pack.
Because I opened the pack, I'm like, it's still like kind of sealed. Can I put it back, y'all? Alright guys, back to surf. Pretty sure the GoPro's catching all the wind noise. So I'm pretty sure gonna add music later on if I do make a video. So we'll see how it goes, guys. Nice choppy waves, wind against our face, drizzles here and there. First cast. There you go. Not too tight. There you go, guys. Let's see if the perch are biting in this cold, windy morning. Oh, I got hit. Running away from the water. It's not gonna happen. You will get wet. I just got my first hit, guys. Got my first hit. So at least they're hitting. Let's find some perch, guys. I'm gonna cast after the wave. Oh, Rashawn did. Oh, God, damn it, came off. Dude, I missed another one. Jeez. Alright, so they're hitting, guys. I just missed another one. Man, that sucks. It was on there. It came off. Missed caught a baby perch. First of the morning. Finally, skunk off the back. There's Pow Pow. Got one. Oh, yes. Now it's my turn, hopefully. Rashawn? Woo! Look at that, right in front of my face. Miss Pow Pow hooks up. Yeah, look at that. Oh, baby, push straight in the camera. Look at that. You want? Get the bag on my my thing. But hold it towards the camera right here. Woo! There, you got bit in half. Oh, you got more already? Caught more already? Yeah. How many catch total? 3. Caught 3 already? Dang, I'm still here skunking. Alright, so Miss P says they're nearby. No need to cast far. I am struggling this morning. Struggling. Oh, that is a fish. Oh, hope it's a good size too, y'all. Ride the wave, like always. Ride the wave. Ride the wave, ride the wave. Ooh. Alright guys, my first perch in the morning right here. Oh yes. Oh yes. About time I caught one. Ow, ow, ow. Dang, so slippery. Cheers out guys. Nice, healthy barred surf perch right here. Oh. Now it's all sandy now. There's a guy. Kind of far, dude. Oh, got one. I'm just messing around too. Oh, hey, this is a nice one. All right. Roar! Oh, ooh! That's a good time. Ride the wave. Don't rush it. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Nice! Come on, dude. Look at this little chunker right here. Missed it. Is that water on my camera? No. Look at that. Yeah, nice chunker, dude. You all right? You all right? What's a baby? Where the big mama's at? Roar! Roar! Short body mofo. Camera. Roar! Oh man, I dropped one in the water. Stupid wave. Oh, I got you. Come here, baby. Oh, ride the wave. Ride the wave, baby. Yes, another one. Whoa. Roar. 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 Whoa, look at the clouds there, guys. Looking very ominous. About to pour down on that side. Alright, so GoPro ran out of space in the memory card. So switched to my other memory card. Actually, I brought my other GoPro, so I'm recording with my other GoPro actually. So right before my battery ran out of space, memory space, I got bit again and my bait got chewed off. Oh, that's a fish. Ride the surf. Ride the surf. Oh shit. Peace out, guys. Oh no. Caught me a little stingray. Alright, the sun's peeking out. I wish it didn't. I like cloudy days. The bike kind of slowed down a little bit, but it's still hitting here and there. I got a bat ray again. Oh, here we go. Oh no. Oh man, I almost got spooled out. Oh, that's a fish. Got a fish, guys. Oh yes. Whoa. Okay, stay on there, buddy. Come here, guy. Come here. Are you big? Are you small? Oh, decent size. All right. Go! Yeah. Yeah. All right. Got me another one, guys. Decent size. Decent size. Oh, you guys angry. Angry. Whew. Alright guys, so we're about to call it a day. Today's haul, we got about 8 total fish right here. We pretty much caught our limits. We got 10 each, but we threw the little babies away, threw back, you know, let them grow. And for these guys are called Barred Surf Perch. So as far as limits and regulations, there's no size limit, but you're allowed to keep 10 each person. So no size limit and 10 each. All right. So yeah. So today's bite was pretty good. We were getting hit like Early in the morning, getting hit left and right. And they were everywhere. They were out deep, they were near. So once we found a little area, they were holding surf perch. They were hitting pretty much from near and far from shore. So it's been a good morning. Miss P slayed it. Every time I look at it, she thought it was hooked up. So yeah, it was a good morning. How you feel today, Miss P? Good? Yes? Happy camper? Yes.
Happy.
So yeah, so once again, guys, it's Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving to all you guys. Thank you for watching. And we're about to head home, get ready for today's festivities. Alright guys, hey, until next time, man, get out there, get your lines wet, keep it positive. Remember guys, every time you finish fishing, be sure to clean up after yourself. Don't leave trash behind, your lures. Bring it back. Wherever you go, leave your paw print and take everything else back with you. Good luck. Nope. They're way taller than that now.
Where is all the taller everything?
Some of the head, man. Some of that. Go surf fishing. They're biting right now. I'm like, that's still good till the end of the year.